Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is summertime and we're talking delicious summer salad.
Yes.
My friend Naila is here, and what are you helping us make today?
I'm making a watermelon cilantro salad with feta and a little balsamic glaze.
I wish you could smell it in here. Okay, how did you make it?
So I actually got a whole watermelon, but it was a lot to do today because it's, you know, it can be a little messy, busy. So did a full watermelon. This is about half of the watermelon. Cut it up into cubes, put the cubes in about 8 cups. Then I added some feta, I added some cilantro. Now this typically is made with mint, but I like the cilantro a little bit better.
Me too.
Yep, and then I make a vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, red wine vinegar, mix it up. Put it on top, and then I did a balsamic glaze, which is a little different from other folks' watermelon.
This is so good. Listen, I wanna try it, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. So, what made you pick this dish?
Well, I'm a working mom, and especially when my son's home in the summertime, I need something quick to make, to eat that's light, but also healthy. So I'm like, all right, let's try this watermelon salad. And that's why I chose him.
Now, when she said she's a working mom, she is serious. You're a professor.
I'm a professor, but I'm also an artist, theater,
what do you teach?
Dance.
What do you teach, Professor?
What do I teach? I teach at Buffalo State University. I'm in theater and Africana studies. And so I teach a vast variety of things, from Black performance studies to different dance classes, and also courses in theater as well.
Yeah, and very accomplished in the theater community. Speak to that.
Yeah, so I choreograph and direct, and been blessed to work with Ujima Theater, also Shay's Second Generation Musical Fair. So I've been around for quite a bit of time and was raised up by Lorna C. Hill. So theater is pretty much in my blood.
It is, and so is this salad. It's gonna get in my belly. So head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. Your family will be happy, and it's super refreshing. Thank you.
Yes, and great for barbecues.
Oh yeah.